This nigga done brung a dead raccoon in the motherfucking McDonald's. Look at this shit. That motherfucker dead in the motherfucker. This nigga got rabies like a motherfucker. This motherfucker crazy. They ain't gonna bring it in there where the food at. Nigga, you so motherfucking stupid. Look at this shit. This motherfucker put the raccoon on the table. He come look. This motherfucker got him on the table, bruh. And he getting up leaving now. Look at this shit. Look, he leaving now. Look at this motherfucker. Wow, this motherfucker bring a dead ass raccoon into McDonald's. This nigga crazy, boy. I tell you. Only in San Francisco. Only in motherfucking San Francisco. Nigga try to come get him something to eat before he go to work. Look at this bullshit. This motherfucker dead in the motherfucking his ass over there. He brung him in there. This motherfucker right here. Boy, I done seen it all. Somebody need to call 911 on this dumb ass. He gonna bring a dead ass motherfucker raccoon and put him on the table. This nigga crazy. This nigga crazier than the motherfucker right here. I don't want nothing out this McDonald's. I will never come back to this motherfucker. This some goddamn bullshit. Yeah, he need to go to jail. This nigga need to go to jail. You don't want to go in there? This motherfucker bring a dead ass raccoon into the McDonald's.
Thank you.
That's some damn bullshit. Look, you got him on the table though. This nigga crazy. They chasing him. You don't want to go in there. Look, this nigga just brung this motherfucker and put this motherfucker on the table.
Now you on live too, huh?
Yes. Woo, no.
Oh no.
Oh. This motherfucker crazy, boy. Here he gonna pick him up. Nigga, you going to jail. Why would you do that, bruh? Don't bring, he bringing them this way. Nigga, I don't want nothing out that motherfucker. Then he gonna put him in the garbage.
In the garbage can, motherfucker.
Wow. Nigga, I don't want nothing out of there. Look at that shit. Y'all need to call the health department. Somebody need to call. Get the fuck away from me, you retarded motherfucker. You going to jail.
Go wash your fucking hands before you fuck around and get sick.
That motherfucker already sick. He ain't gonna get sick.
Oh, you ain't gonna wash your hands, you stupid motherfucker?
He already sick.
Go ahead, I ain't gonna do that.
They need to call the health department. Look at that shit. Blood all on the floor. Nigga, you don't want nothing out of there. Call the motherfucking health department. They walking all through the blood and all that shit. Listen, that's a nasty motherfucking whatever the fuck he is. That shit don't make no sense. He put him in the garbage can. Look.
Now you scared of the work. You a sick motherfucker. Did you wash your hands?
Hell no, that nigga didn't wash his hands.
Sounded like a regular.
That motherfucker need to go to jail. Let me get up out of here. I don't want nothing out this bitch. I'll never come back to this McDonald's.
861.
Yeah, that motherfucker nigga, they need to call the health department. Don't nobody want to go in that motherfucker. You don't want to go in there, bruh. Motherfucker just brung a dead raccoon in there, put him on the table. Look, come look at the blood on the ground right. He put him in the garbage can over there. All in there on the table, look. It's a nasty motherfucker. They put him in the garbage. The nigga put him in the garbage. Blood all in that motherfucker. Somebody needs to call the health department.
Man, bud.
That's some bullshit. Talk about help. He already stiff as a board. Wow. They need to lock the door. I wouldn't eat shit out of there. Put him on the table though. That's some bullshit. That's some straight bullshit. I will never come to this McDonald's on 16th and Betrayal again. This motherfucking white man, I don't know what the fuck he was. This nigga just come put a dead ass raccoon on the table. God damn. I don't believe that. That's some bullshit. Let me take my hungry ass to work. I'll get something at lunch. Or if somebody want to bring me something to eat, bring me something to eat. I appreciate it. But I'm going to get this money. Talk to y'all soon. God is love.